Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to talk about multiple VPC networks, how we can quickly provision in GCP infrastructure. So I'll just explain through the script. So let's go ahead and follow the process. So what we'll do, first we'll start the lab. Then we'll open the lab with a different tab. Login tab with the username and password. Once login, click on I agree, continue, open active cloud shell, click continue, go to folder. Okay, so now the script is already ready. So let me change the region, June, all these parameter I need to check. Yeah, so which region zone I need to create this service. So let me find out from the lab. This is US Central 1 region, US Central 1. Put the region 1 US Central 1, copy. What we'll do, just I'll copy the zone name, US East 1, paste over here, and region 2. Let me find out the region to which region we want to build. Yes, just one. In the zone. Let me put the zone. Based on the project ID, you just put here project ID. So all set. Now let me execute this script over there. Click on authorize. Just wait a couple of seconds. So here screen enable false, not found. Okay, so if this is the case, what we will do, script is already available. Let me execute directly. Select all, copy this command, execute here. So wait couple of seconds, so it will create one by one based on these labs. So this is a very simple way how we can quickly complete this lab. All these steps is already available. I'll provide you the link, a GitHub description link to find the all these codes already in place. So how we can quickly complete this lab and to understand all the script. So that I will provide you in the description box. So it will take couple of seconds, so then the lab will complete. Okay, so task 2 could not completed. So let's see, execute this one and check. Okay, so completed. this task. Let me quickly check. Completed. Create the firewall rules for private net. Completed. Let me check this one. Completed. This one, private net, completed. Okay, completed. Let me quickly check. Completed. I think all done. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. So I hope it will be helpful to complete this video, how you can quickly complete this video. So all the code is available, you can follow the code here and then you will be able to complete this video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.